Hey, it's Jeff Summers with Watch You Know, and today we have an unboxing, and I'm really excited about this. As usual, with opening something new, there is an element of excitement and maybe surprise. We'll find out. Got my trusty knife. Not sure if we'll need it. The box looks easy enough to open. Ordered this from Amazon, and it was a whopping $41. This is the least expensive G-Shock that you can possibly buy. And I see here comes with this nice stand. I guess it's nice. I don't know. Most people are probably going to throw that away. A little plastic there. And the watch is going. Is it? It's set to the correct time, and it is on this stand. So let's try to get this thing off here. How do we do that? Fiddle around with it. Goodness. Oh, just pulls right off. And little thing, a G-Shock Casio. All right, and in the box we have a warranty card, and it looks like there seems to be some kind of a booklet, a manual on how to use the watch. And this is the unboxing video. I'm going to have a full review in which I'll show you how to use the watch and all of its capabilities. So look out for that in about a week or two. So let's see what we have here. First glance of this Casio G-Shock. There it is. The DW5600 was introduced in 1987, and that was modeled a bit after the original DW5600e. So this watch has been around for a long time and has not really changed much. It is 42 millimeters by 48 millimeters, 48.9 millimeters. It is 13.4 millimeters thick, and it is made of a resin material. Ooh la la. And the glass is a mineral crystal. You could submerge this watch all the way down to 200 meters and not worry. And it has a light, a backlit light right here on the bottom right. Okay, and you let go and it stays lit for a second or two. It has a countdown timer. There's a stopwatch. The stopwatch calculates down to 1/100th of a second. There is an alarm on the watch. And the strap is a black resin. Now, the reason for having a G-Shock, other than it has everything right there that you need. You got the time, you got the date, you got all that important information that you need right there. So if you're not like a watch person and you need just one watch, this is it. This has got to be it. I mean, it's not a dress watch. You wouldn't want to wear it to the opera or something like that. Let's give you a shot of the back too. And I'll have to try it on as well. All right, so there you go, the G-Shock. G-Shock. But these watches are incredible because of their durability. I mean, you can run over them with a car. You can hit them with a hammer. NHL players have smashed hockey pucks into them. I saw a video where somebody froze it and then they threw it right into boiling water for, I think it was something like 8 minutes. Pulled it out, still worked. It's a phenomenal thing. An 18-wheeler. Drove right over it. Still was fine. So you'll never have to worry about that. Let's check out what it looks like on the wrist here. All right. Just comfortable feel with that resin strap. And voila, there you go. Now I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and this watch fits perfectly on there. It's beaut. It's a real beaut. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and look for that review, full review of this coming up in about a week or two. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.